Is that a seal?
No.
No. Is it a cow?
No.
No. It's a lion. You can play.
Well, he's a zebra.
You can play veterinarian or something, or a zoo.
Zoo. Or Madagascar.
Nora's
Hey,
over here.
you know what's the difference? Pink is close to white.
Oh, it is?
That's why the zebra likes me.
You know what? We gotta get over here so we can see what you're doing. Let's move the pup. I wonder what that is.
It caught my eye.
Mom, what was on the other one? Oh my gosh, cool. Do you remember you looked at that on Amazon? You remember that?
Santa knows.
Sweet.
Okay, here you go.
Morgan. There you go. Turn around so I can see you.
Hey, Nora. What's that over by the fireplace?
The stockings.
You want to see everything you get.
It's flying like an air balloon?
Yeah, and it's metal, so you can't.
Oh.
Or pop paper. The only metal so you can't pop it.
Goodness. Those elves really wrapped that up well. Maybe you do need some help.
Great Grandma Melly was frustrated that I used so much.
I think
Hey Nora, can I see your tiger?
no, it's not. I think that this tiger just sneezed on your head, so I'm moving. Whoa. How to train your dragon.
You got sneeze juice on me.
I know what Morgan's going to be doing today.
How to train your dragon.
Morgan's going to be reading a book instead of playing computer games.
Morgan, did you know there's a whole series of books?
What?
You did?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
And this, I chewed on the tree.
He chewed on the tree.
Can you say cheese? Morgan, are you opening a present in there?
In the bag. Yeah.
Let's tickle that bag and see who's in there.
Your head caught in there?
I wonder what that is.
It's sun art. Sun art.
Yeah. Didn't you think you wanted that too?
Yeah, in a nutcracker.
Can I see? Oh.
Another nutcracker.
Look at that cool head.
I know, it's a Joker thing.
I love it.
Joker just like you.
Morgan, where's that dragon book? I want to see it. Wanna open? Thank you, Morgan. That was nice of you. Here, you want to give me the garbage pieces? That's all. That's all. Thanks.
Great little camera he's got.
That's our second one.
Like it?
Yeah, we broke the first one.
Do you want a little video camera?
Do I get a
Instead
box?
of shooting video clips with this?
Do I get a box?
All I have to do is buy a bigger memory card.
Oh, oh, oh.
Well, right now I can take
Who is that? Do you know who that is, Nora?
I love
It's Rapunzel.
I can take 80 minutes, Beverly. I can take 80
Yeah, her
minutes
name's
of video with this.
Rapunzel, Nora. Here, open this and you'll get it. Nora.